You know what? Let me show you the coffee called coffee drill bowl and rich. I opened it, but I said, okay, let me record, show you guys. See, it's sealed. I just pull up and on the way out. So I say, okay, let me show you guys how, and I tell you guys how it's taste too. This is my first time buy this type of coffee. My dad he used to bought I think one time with Starbucks. This a bottle like this. It's a coffee, and then he bought it. Coffee milk or something. He said it's not bad, but back then is when they first come out, it's kind of expensive too. I think he bought two for $10 or something. Let me see how this one I bought two for $5.99. Yeah, and let me put this is hazelnut coffee milk. That's milk, coffee milk for the coffee. Let me see. I should take the spoon with me. I take out the medium broth, not the dark one. Not bad. It's let me see. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, this one is just a medium. The roast, the dark one probably stronger. It's not bad. So if you don't want to make your own coffee at home, you can buy this and then drink whenever you want. So I'm so buy this one if you don't want the coffee milk. And because both of them is cold, so I don't need to add the ice. Most of the time when I make a coffee, I have to add the ice because it's not in the refrigerator, so I need to add ice. Yeah, not bad. I think that's convenient too, because like when I make a coffee, I don't drink a lot of coffee, so every day I drink a little bit, but when I make it, I need to make more. More coffee bean, coffee brown, so it makes this taste good. But the thing I cannot finish off on a whole day, so I have to let for the next day. The next day probably the taste is a little different. But this you want, sometimes you just want a little bit and you just drink it. So that's the convenience too. Not bad. Hi, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.